A popcorn mini machine used at home is important for quick and convenient snack preparation. It offers a fun and easy way to make popcorn for movie nights, gatherings, or simply as a tasty treat. The machine provides a healthier alternative to store-bought microwave popcorn, allowing customization of flavors and ingredients. Its compact size makes it suitable. An evaporator cooker used at home is essential for efficient cooking, enhancing flavors, convenience, tenderizing tough cuts of meat, and versatility in preparing various dishes. It helps concentrate flavors, saves time with hands-off cooking, and tenderizes meats through slow cooking. This kitchen tool is versatile, suitable for soups, stews, sauces, curries, and desserts like custards and puddings. A shoe cleaner used at home is essential for maintaining the cleanliness and longevity of footwear. It helps remove dirt, stains, and odors, preserving the appearance and condition of shoes. Regular cleaning prevents premature wear and tear, extending the lifespan of shoes. Additionally, a shoe cleaner enhances hygiene by eliminating bacteria and fungi that can accumulate on footwear. Automatic lights in the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen offer convenience, safety, and energy efficiency at home. They automatically illuminate when motion is detected, enhancing ease of movement and reducing the risk of accidents, especially at night. These lights save energy by turning off when no motion is detected, contributing to lower electricity bills. In the bathroom and kitchen, they provide hands-free lighting for tasks like cooking and grooming. Overall, automatic lights improve comfort, safety, and energy conservation in various areas of the home. Sweeping robots are valuable for maintaining clean floors effortlessly at home. They save time and effort by autonomously sweeping and vacuuming floors, especially in hard-to-reach areas. These robots help reduce allergens and dust buildup, improving indoor air quality. With their scheduling features, they ensure regular cleaning even when occupants are away.